Good morning all of you. Today we are going to discuss about unit 4 is nothing but homomorphisms and isomorphisms of groups. What is the meaning of morphism? Morphism means preserving. Which preserving? Here about we are discussing mappings. Mappings preserving some compositions. Which mappings are there? They are homomorphism and isomorphism. Let us discuss them. What is a homomorphism? To know these morphisms, homomorphism or isomorphism, we have a best idea on functions. You consider two sets and take any relation between two sets, which is a function. Then the first set, suppose you may consider here the mapping is like this. The first set is nothing but a domain and the second set is codomain. You must have the knowledge of this function. Okay. Now coming to this homomorphism definition, if G comma star is a group and G dash comma circle is another group, that means we considering two groups, and f from, read it as from, f from G to G dash is a function such that satisfying the condition like this, f of a star b is equal to f of a circle f of b, where a and b are the domain elements. This is the domain and this is the codomain. A and b are the domain elements. Then such function is called a homomorphism. What is the meaning of this? For example, if we consider this, domain is a group, codomain is a group, and A and B are the domain elements. If you give the composite element, what is the composite element in G? Because G is oriented with the composition star, the composite element of G is like A star B. If you give a composition function A star B to the function f, it may transform as the composite element in the codomain. You know that whenever A and B are the domain elements, f of A images are in the codomain. Their composite element is, because in G dash the composition is circle, then the composite element is like f A circle f of B. If any function transforms a composite element A star B into a composite element in the codomain as f of A circle f of B, then that function is called a homomorphism. Okay. Next one, what is an isomorphism? Again consider two groups and f from G to G dash is a function. How can you say this function is an isomorphism? If it is satisfying the conditions, that is number 1, f is 1 function and f is onto, and finally it is a homomorphism. That means a function having these three properties, then that function is called isomorphism. What is coming to the 1 function? What is 1 function? Actual definition of 1 function is nothing but different elements has different images, then the function is called 1 function. Different elements has different images, then that function is called 1 function. In other words, if the images are same, then obviously elements are identical. Such condition happens, then the function f is called 1. Now coming to the onto function. Which function is going to say onto? Read the definition in the box. For each element in G dash, what is G dash here? This is the codomain of our function. G dash, let us consider an element of codomain. If there exists some element x in G, what is G? It is the domain of the function such that y can be expressed as image of x, which means that every element in codomain having pre-images, then that function is called onto function. And third condition is known as homomorphism or a preserved composition, that is f of a star b is equal to f of a circle f of b. Homomorphism, it preserves composition. Other words, homomorphism, other name is preserves composition. Which composition is preserved here? Star is preserved because output elements are composited by the composition circle. So, it preserves composition in the domain. That is why this is the homomorphism. Okay, let us consider some more examples regarding to these definitions. Thank you.